Little by little, we're getting closer. We probably got about a good 2.5 hours into this today. And there's the A-pillar. Now we start measuring. This is the place you can't make any mistakes. You can see over here where I've taped it off. I'm going to be making my cut right along this tape line here, across here and across here. So this section, this little section right here is going to come off. Whenever all else fails, you know. It's very fast, but it's very inaccurate. There's a little bit of work underneath here that I got to do, and this back little plate here has to come off, which is going to take a while. Cutting through these aluminum welds are a pain. I mean, it just takes time. This is there's two main beams here. There's a beam that runs from the left side of the car to the right. The backbone of the car runs from the front to the back. These two pieces going together, instead of welding them like they did on the top, they put a filler plate over the top and then welded it together. That's why there's so many welds. They distributed the strength to hold this together. And then I gotta do my bottom cut for my tunnel here, which shouldn't be that hard. Here we go. That is it. This is exactly the way it's going to go in. We're going to be welding this area here, this area. We're going to be doing 5 splices. Everything else in this vehicle is going to be done at the factory joints. Next week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish cutting. I've got that all measured, ready to go. I'm going to mirror the cut within 1/8 of an inch, or actually 1/16 of an inch, and get the body braced up next week and ready to fit this. So we're moving right along here. I anticipate this being painted, I think by the middle of March, we'll have this painted.